Now, baobab trees can store up to 30,000 gallons of water in their trunks and are able to conserve so much water by not sprouting leaves for up to 9 months out of the year. And now we are heading into the savannah. This is the largest part of the reserve and home to many animals you may recognize, such as giraffes, zebras, lions, rhinos, and more. You may be able to see some off in the distance, but we'll kind of see who we can spot as we go along. Now it looks like the first animal we're going to come across on our right hand side, one you may recognize with those stripes, that is the zebra. It's going to be right here on that right hand side. Now on the reserve, these are Hartman's mountain zebra. Something unique to their species is a fold of skin under their neck known as a dewlap. Now that aids in blood circulation. And of course that tall animal, kind of hard to miss. We'll try to get a better view of them around the corner, but we see the giraffe. Now this is a Maasai giraffe. Their coat is made up of spots with rough, jagged edges. And those spots are as unique to them as a fingerprint is to us. Now giraffes are the tallest animal in the reserve. Adults will grow to be about 18 to 20 feet on average. However, a baby stands pretty tall as well, about 6 feet when born. However, that baby's introduction to the world is a 6-foot drop to the ground. Now their mothers deliver standing up, but that drop is going to allow that baby's heart to get started, and they can actually take off running within the hour of any animal. Now here on our left, we're passing a den-like structure, but kind of in that back left corner by the tree line, there are some dogs laying on the ground. Those are African wild dogs. Just make sure we're seated, guys.
Same family.
If we can all take a seat. Thank you. Now the African wild dogs are actually the most successful hunter of any mammal. They have a 90% success rate and take turns chasing down their prey until it drops from exhaustion. Now here on our right hand side, we're coming up on some Ankole cattle, also known as Watusi cattle, after the people that domesticated them. Those horns on their head grow about 5 to 6 feet across on average, but only weigh about 15 pounds each, as they're made up of a hollow honeycomb-like structure, where blood can run through to lower their body temperatures. There's a few more tucked away on the left, and another one of those giraffes. Now giraffes on the reserve are pretty calm. They have those long legs, so they can actually run up to 30 miles an hour. And if they're just jogging, they can maintain a cruise control of about 10 miles an hour. Now we're passing by some mounds. There's a significantly large one here on our left. Now these are termite mounds. Termites make them out of saliva, dirt, and dung from other animals. There's a couple more giraffe here on the left. Now a new animal we're coming up, one closer to us on the right, but there's also one on the left. Now these are elands. I know the giraffes are being entertaining. Now these elands are the largest antelope on the reserve. They can grow up to 2,000 pounds.